Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Zhiyun Smooth 5. This is a smartphone gimbal. I use it with my iPhone. You can use it with your Huawei, with your Oppo, whatever phone you have, but I like using the iPhone. I have another video online showing using with the iPhone 10. You can actually plug a USB-C cable right in here and then charge your device at the same time. This turns around to lock into place, and then this kit comes with a magnetic light with magnetic filters. These are all the filters right there, stacked, but you can do one at a time if you'd like, and it just fits on like that. It uses the battery through the device that's built in right here on the gimbal to power the light that's up here. And this actually has two separate areas for lighting. So if we flip it over, you can magnetically attach a second light with different filters if you want. And they just easily peel off and are also magnetic. So that's cool there. And then for the Smooth 5, you have the on button, and then you have the function button right here. And then on the back, you have the USB-C charging port and another button right here, the locking button, and the really cool stuff's on the front. This is a screen, so when it's on, it shows you what function that you're in. It also shows you the charge level. Each function light will blink up to the full. It takes about 2 hours to charge this with a fast charging USB-C adapter. They give you the cable to charge it with right here, but you'll have to supply your own fast charger. They also give you a desktop stand that screws into the bottom right here, or you can do a tripod that's even larger. You have your joystick left and right, up and down, menu option. Now this will trigger a Bluetooth command to the phone that's connected with the app, and then you'll be able to see different menu options right there. This goes up and down, and then this turns on the light that's attached to the magnetic part that we showed earlier. It's very easy to take off and to use if you need it. So there's the light button there, mode button, and then the record button. And then on the side, you have additional fine control right here, and then another record button there. There's a lot of functions with this, will be in the description below. And this is the kit that comes with the magnetic light and the bag and the desktop tripod. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.